So this is a common complaint that a lot of people make about Wealthy Affiliate. A lot of lazy reviewers make these videos trashing on Wealthy Affiliate, saying that the training is outdated, it doesn't work anymore, but that could not be further from the truth. If you actually look at their classes, they teach you all sorts of stuff. They teach you about YouTube, they teach you how to do copywriting, affiliate marketing, how to use email funnels and social media marketing. They talk about the different tools that you can use, and as you can see, these videos, they're from late 2023 and it goes back further. And of course, a lot of them get updated. They also have newer videos, and then there's different categories and different topics. So if you look at YouTube, for example, you've got a recent video that was just posted about a month ago. So the training is always updated. You can see new videos being posted all the time about different topics. So if you want to do affiliate marketing and you want to learn how to do it through different platforms, different strategies, then Wealthy Affiliate really covers everything you need to know. And so if you look at the calendar here, you can see all these crown marks over the dates. And so these are special classes that they have if you upgrade to the Premium Plus, where they have live classes from experts in each topic, and then you can actually listen to it even later on. And these videos get posted just a few hours after the live recording has finished. So Wealthy Affiliate is definitely not outdated. The training still works. They're constantly updating it, so it's actually on the cutting edge, in my opinion. If you want to try Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use my link in the description. There's no credit card required. Now, if you're wondering if there's any kind of topic that Wealthy Affiliate does not teach, then click this video showing up on your screen.